Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Nathan, South Carolina on the Galaxie DX44 HP. Nathan, got it ready to go for you, bud. First of all, I want to thank you for your very patient with repair on this. We have a pretty big backlog on repairs, and we're slowly gaining some headway here in the summer times. We've had a lot going on in and out, and with the website truckcbsales.com and COVID and moving and all that over the last couple of years. It's been a pretty crazy ride. As you see, I've got your channel selector display lighting up all your digits now. Basically all that is a dirty channel selector. I see it flash every little bit here and there, but it is a lot better than what it was. As you can see, it'll get better the more you use it, you know. If you ever want to put a channel selector in it, we can, but you know, if you keep it on one channel all the time, you know, it's eventually going to corrode up on the other contacts. You was talking about it was getting hot and losing power. I won't do this on video, but I put a 5-minute tone in it, and it held at its PEP power without any drop at all after the voltage regulator upgrade and the tune alignment. So let's just get right to it. RF power all the way down, 25 watt slug. Got you at a half watt all the way down in case you decide to run an amp. Got you at 5 watts all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. Oh. That's 16, 17 bird average. 50 watt slug PEP. Hello. 1 2 1 2 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. 50 watts exactly. And it held that for 5 minutes on the tone. Of course, you know, your voltage regulator is on this side. It is going to get very warm, but we've got the upgraded regulator now, so there's no chance of failure. Okay. All right, Nathan, it's ready to go, man. I'll get it out to you from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.